Hey, Seth David here from the world famous Nerd Enterprises Incorporated, and it's 1099 season. It's time to get those 1099s done. The government used to give us 3 months. I guess they've decided we have too much time in our hands, so for the last few years, we have less than a month to get this done, which means we need a super efficient process for getting them done. And I'm sorry, but having to check off vendors as being eligible and then make sure the accounts where their expenses were booked to are mapped, not efficient. Not to mention I need a service for filing my 1099s that's going to allow me to amend 1099s when the time comes. I need something that's frictionless. And what I found is that Track 1099 does the job, and it does it really well. The challenge is extracting the data from QuickBooks Online quickly and efficiently. So I've worked with my friends at Billbeez to create a process that makes that happen super fast. What I really want is a report that shows me all the vendors who were paid and the total they were paid for the year, so I can first sort that by amount and get rid of anybody who's under $600, and then I can start chiseling the list down, get rid of the corporations, and get rid of anybody else who I know for sure doesn't need a 1099, and then I can start the process in Track 1099. I can import that file that I'm left with, and that's what we've done here. We've created a process where we can extract the data exactly as I was describing, and it gets it into an Excel file that is perfectly formatted and ready to be imported into track1099.com. So we're going to click the 1099 helper button here. And in this case, because I'm an accountant, I have their accountant portal with Billbeez, I can choose to do it either for my firm or for a customer. So let's see what it looks like when I'm creating a new customer. I'm going to put in the first name, Hercules David, and his email address is hercules@nerdenterprises.com, and the company name is Hercules Incorporated. Make sure everything's kind of spelled right here, and we're going to click Next. And now we have to connect to a QuickBooks Online account. So if I click here where it says Connect to QuickBooks, it's going to bring up the dialog. If you're familiar at all with the process of linking an app to QuickBooks Online, then you'll know exactly what needs to be done here. We'll bring up LastPass so I can get logged in real quick. Okay, and then over here, I'm going to search for my firm. And then once that's selected, we can click Next. And now I'll just confirm. It's just confirming I want to allow Billbeez to view and update my QuickBooks Online data. I'll choose Connect. Okay, and now as you can see here, it says done. Everything's ready. Billbeez is going to create the CSV file on a cache basis, which is how 1099s need to be filed. And then it's going to automatically send it to my email. And at this point, I can either start another one if I have other clients to do this for, or I can say I'm done. And now all I have to do is go over and check my email, and we have other videos up here on the website that will show you what to do with that file once you've got it.